Guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna get into this soft purple gorgeous look. If you guys like this, keep watching. But yeah, so we're gonna start out with the Morphe Equalizer. I'm gonna put that all over my face. My skin has been super oily lately. I don't know. Something's been going on. I don't really know. But make sure it's good. And then let me do my brows. I bought the Morphe Filter Effect Foundation in shade Rich 30. So let's see if it's a true color, because I just went off the whim just to see. Seems about right. Okay, this is looking good. I used to be like a full glam makeup girl, and now lately I've been feeling like very soft, very light. I don't want to put too much on, which is weird because normally I like the caked up, fully dramatic, long lashes. I don't know if it has something to do with me getting older. I don't know if it's just I'm changing. I don't know exactly what it is. Is it just me? I don't know. Like, maybe because of, you know, being inside for so long and not really being outside as much. I'm not sure what exactly it is. But I'm into the very soft look now. I'm just testing out these products. Let's see what comes out. I don't have an idea of what I want to do exactly with the look. I just felt like, you know what, let me just about to head out, so I just want to see what exactly to do. I said I'm not a full face, and look at me just packing it on. So now I'm going in with my beauty sponge and make sure the foundation's completely blended, and then I'm going to use 3.35 and the 4.35 concealer to contour and highlight. Now the 4.35 is a little red for my liking. They ran out of the darker shade, so I had to work with this. It does look a little bit orange, but it ends up being a really nice finish and glow to the skin. I don't know if this is dark enough. So I had to start doing a voiceover because there were planes going over my house. The kids were screaming across the street. They would not let me be great today. So I had to do a voiceover so you won't hear all the noise and the static. But here I'm just still highlighting those areas and blending everything out seamlessly with my brush. I'm going to let the concealer stay on for a minute so it could get more coverage, and then I'm going to pat it out with my brush. This Morphe E45 brush is like a dream. It blends out every little nook and cranny. It is great for getting them small areas that you need to blend out. Okay, I'm doing a dance break, listening to WizKid. But yeah, I'm just still blending it out. Yeah, I was jamming the music, guys. Yeah, it's always a good vibe when you doing your makeup and you listening to music and you just setting the vibes. Yeah. So now I'm setting under my eyes with the Filter Effect powder in shade 8, and then we're gonna go straight into brows. I'm using the micro brow pencil in the color Java, and I'm just lightly tracing the bottom and then creating hair-like strokes in between. I don't like it too dark or too defined anymore. I just like it very soft and fluffy. That's the easiest way I could explain it. But here I'm just using the same concealer, the C 3.35 under the eyebrows, and then I'm just carving it and then blending it out on both sides. For the top half of my brow, I'm going to use my foundation, the same foundation I used, the Filter 8, just to clean it up. I want it to look as natural as possible, and I'm going to use the remainder foundation to brush in between the brows to make it soft. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to set my face with the Filter Effect powder in shade 11 all over my face. This powder, guys, this powder is beautiful. It gives you an airbrush finish. It looks very smooth. This is my favorite go-to foundation powder. And then I'm going to use the brow gel just to set the brows in place and make sure everything is good. I'm going to use the 3.35 concealer all over the lid because my lid is dark, and I'm going to blend that out to prep for the eyeshadow. Yeah, so I'm just blending, and then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. These bronzers, the Glamour Bronze, is gorgeous for any deeper skin. This one is in the shade Leader. I do it all over my face, and I also put it in my crease, in my nose. It really gives a coconut water break, of course. I'm still jamming, as you can see. I didn't know what look I was gonna do. At first I was gonna do a gold look, and then I was like, it's springtime. I wanted a soft purple kind of look. So I'm using the Morphe Madison Bare palette, and I use the shades. Girl, I don't even know the shades. It's the purples, mainly the purples, and then I use the warmer color in the crease. But I'm gonna put everything down in the link in the description box because I don't see any color names on this, so I'm not sure. But yeah, I was just like, let me just do something smoky, something cute, and it's very soft. So now I'm going in with the Darkroom eyeliner under my eyes in tight line, and then I'm going to use the felt tip liner in black across the top lid. I'm going to focus more on the corner and give like a wing liner effect, and then I'm going to do a thinner line in the inner corner. We want that wing crisp feline effect. And you're going to see what I'm going to do later with the lashes to kind of give that feline wing effect. Now I'm going in with Make It Big Bold Black Mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It gives a lot of volume. And then I'm going to use my lashes from my brand in the name Spice. And I'm going to kind of pull it out a little bit more to the corner to give that winged look effect. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I could definitely can. It just gives a nice winged out look. So now I'm going in with the Face palette, and I'm going to use the second blush, and then I'm going to use the gold highlighter to finish this look off. I also like to put a little bit on my nose and then put on the high points of my cheek. So now I'm about to use the lip liner in Dimmer. It's really an eyeliner, but I like to use the eyeliner as a lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with the lip stain, and then I'm gonna go in with Freebird lip gloss on top. And then I go on with the Continuous Setting Mist, and there you go, finished look. I hope you guys love this look. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.